Today, I'm going to tell you the story about how I found my first partner for buying properties when I was 4 years old.
My name is Dylan. This is my wife, Venta, and our partner in life and in love is our fiance, Mari. We are the Modern Prophets, and we welcome you to the Modern Prophets Academy.
So, when I was 4 years old, we moved from Connecticut out to Los Angeles. And in my backyard, I found all of these snails. And these snails were in the garden, and I'd never seen snails like this before. So naturally, I thought that my garden was the only one, my backyard was the only one that had these types of snails. So I packaged them all up, I put them in some Tupperware, and I started going door to door to go sell these things. So I was selling them for 1 cent a piece. And one of the first doors that I knocked on was the door of Bob and his buddies that were in med school. And they thought this was so funny. And probably they also wanted to kill the snails that are terrible for your yard. So they bought all of them from me. And that night they came over with a bottle of wine to our house saying that they wanted to meet the parents of Dylan. So when I started to become a real estate investor, one of the first guys that I called was Bob. And I said, Bob, I'm doing deals. Do you want to go in on them with me? And he said, hell yes. And so that's how I met my first real estate partner when I was 4 years old.